I installed them outside just so that you can see them. See, the fan is working and the light, boy, it is blinding. You tell me, what do you think? Welcome everyone, and good to have you guys back. It's been a minute. As you can see, my daily driver is here. Skyline is nowhere to be found because it's parked outside. We completed that project. Today we're doing something a bit different. I'm honestly doing a product review. Now, I'm not a fan of doing product reviews simply because there's always going to be some sort of a caveat to it where they ask you to buy the product first, then do the product review, then they'll send you the money, blah, 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 blah. I don't like doing that. I'm not going to recommend something to my audience that I don't personally believe in it or for personal gain. I don't do that. Okay? So be it. So what happened is this company, AUXITO, I think I got it right. Yeah, AUXITO. They reached out to me and they said, hey, we manufacture headlights or bulbs, LED lights, and so on and so forth. And they said, give us a car. What car do you work on? We'll send you a headlight or the LED light. You work on it and you just put a review. And I was like, okay. So they send me one of their best products. This is the latest model that they have that fits this car. It's an H7 bulb. I'll show it to you. But so they said we'll send it to you. You do a cover product review and so on and so forth. Now, they didn't ask me for money. They legitimately sent it to me free of charge. And they didn't ask me to do anything apart from the fact that do a review. Now, in the past, as you can clearly see, I bought multiple of those LED lights, even the ones that claim that they are canvas-free error. And I had a lot of problems. Hi, Havana. Yeah, she's not happy. Anyways, so yeah, I had a lot of problems with those in the past. Either the light flickers, the light doesn't fit, or in some cases it doesn't even have the proper bracket that fits into the housing, the light housing. This one, they claimed, which we are about to prove that, they claimed that it fits perfect, bolt-on, and canvas error-free. Now, canvas error-free, just for the record, just to give you a bit of background. These cars, or let's just say the new model cars, they're more advanced technologically in a sense where if the light bulb burnt, it sends a signal to the dash, and that's how you know that you've got a light that you need to work on or replace. How does that work? Well, it's simple, really. The battery sends a 12-volt power to the headlight. If it works, then it's all good and well. If it doesn't work, there is no draw power per se, then that indicates that there is something wrong with that light, so it sends it there. The problem that normally a lot of people that face when they use LED lights like this crap, just for the record, that big one cost me nearly $100, about 60, about 40. So like, it's not like they're cheap. But the problem is, A, they draw less power being LED. So when the power comes from the battery to the headlight, the system will realize the draw is not 12 volt. It's not equivalent to 12 volt. Therefore, it sends a signal back that, hey, we're using power, but it's not 12. So the computer in the car assumes the light is burnt. It sends a signal to the dash. It shows that, hey, you've got a light issue, fix it. It's a bit annoying. Whilst the light works, that message on the screen is a bit annoying. Now, you can buy canvas error-free module where you just hook it up and that should hopefully solve the problem. True, but that's extra expense. Like, I've already spent money on the light, so why should I buy other items? This one is supposed to be compatible to the car, bolt on, so plug and play, and it should also be compatible with the whole canvas error free. Not only that, It's the newest model that has the fish eye housing to it. So basically it gives 360 degrees light, which means brighter and it covers more area. We are about to find out. But before we do, let's just have a look at what's inside the box. So this is how the box comes in. AUXITO, global supplier for automotive LED light. And yep, you can see that. So this is the H7TJ. Now, it's actually pretty good looking at it, and I've even Googled it. So it's really good. It has a good review, and hopefully I'm going to be one of those people that also gives a good review. This is how it looks like. Wow. This is the manual with the QR code. So I'll put it over there for you guys. If you like, you can click on that, and that'll take you straight away to them. Zip ties, double-sided tape, in case if you needed that. Gloves, that's pretty fancy, not bad. And there they are. Let's take one out just so that we can have a look at it and see what we're talking about. Okay. So, looking at it, it does look fancy. It does look really good. This is the cooling fan, basically, so that if it generates heat, this is supposed to cool it off, the light. Whilst it doesn't draw much power, granted, it will generate a bit of a heat. Not bad. And if you can see the lens, yep, it's like shaped like this so that it reflects light all over. And this is supposed to be canvas error-free. This plug is supposed to go straight up into the car. So it's supposed to be plug and play. This bracket helps secure the light in place. Okay, so we've got two. So packaging wise, I would say 10 out of 10. The fact that they went to the trouble and include gloves, that says something about the company. I actually do respect that. And if I were you, and if you're interested in that, you just need to know which housing or which LED light that fits. It could be H8, 9, 11, and so on and so forth. For Mercedes W204, this is 2012 basically, and onwards, it should have the H7, and therefore this is exactly the fit for that. All right. Junk. It's already been proven in the past, so I'll chuck it away. Let's start working on this one. And I've got Havana supervising in her own way. Put the trunk up and look at the housing, and we'll start working over there, and I'll show you what we need to do. And we'll test it together. If it works perfectly, then happy days. If it doesn't, then we'll say, well, this is what's happening. Cool. All right. Trunk up. Service mode. Gotta love Mercedes with the service mode. The trunk all the way vertical. You need to remove the cover housing for the headlight. See, over here you've got two. One for this and one for the other one. Just twist and get it out. As you get it out, you'll be able to get the actual light bulb. So this is the original one. This is the light bulb that comes with it. And you can clearly see the bracket and how it looks. So we just need to remove this one and put that one basically over there with the housing and everything, and plug it. And technically speaking, that's how it should be. And that's it. Now, I don't know if it's going to fit or not. This is where we just need to double check, because the only concern that I had was the size. Let me try to finagle it and see if it fits and report back, because I definitely need my two hands and I can't just hold up the camera and work with the other hand. I only have two. All right. I only installed one, and I didn't even completely install it. It's just mock fit. So there you can see this is the canvas error-free, and it just connects directly to the actual plug, and the light is basically over there. This metal thing, if you can see that, this is the one that locks the light into place. But I guess in our time, in our case, the light is big enough that actually fits perfectly into shape. All right, so just for the record, we've only done this side. We haven't done the other side, okay? Let's try to switch it on. Now, mind you, It is white, not warm white, okay? So let's just see. No, it's not working. There you go. It is working now. Let's have a quick look. So, this is the original. As you can see, yellow or warm white. Boy, it's blinding. There you go. Now, if I told you that two lights are on, the small warm white is here and the white one. So this is the new one that we got, and you can barely see the yellow one. And dare I say, you can see the difference between both. This one is way fresh. That one is just yellow plain. I love it. I really do love it. Now the real question is the system gonna have a problem with me and with the error? So, what do? Let's switch the car on. I'm just gonna put the headlight on, the high beam, just to see how it looks. Again, all low beam with high beam, new. I actually do like it. You can see the difference. And again, this is just one. I've only installed one. And it's not fully installed, just temporarily installed. And there you go, as you can see it. It's installed in the housing properly with no issue, with no nothing. Now, question is, if there's an error with the light, system automatically will tell me that I got a problem. I got no problem. My system is happy, which means it did overwrite the problem. So now, hopefully, everything should be okay. The real testament is, does it work at night and how dark it gets? So, there's one way to find out. Let's turn the lights off and test that theory. So I'm just gonna, is it working? It should be working. Just gonna keep this one on and I'll keep it on high. And let's just go give this one a crack. There you go. I'll just keep it as is. Garage door on. Garage door off. And lights off. And let's see how bright this will make it. Let's just give it a crack. I'm just gonna wait until that light turns off. Then after that we'll see. Because I still got this light. You know what? Let's just close even the blind over here. I need to see how dark it gets. Okay. Let me turn this one off as well. You tell me. So this is a dark room now. Almost. We still got that tiny little light up and the backlight. But the way I see it, I actually do like it. And if we look to the other side, you can clearly tell the difference. See how shiny, see how bright in your face, whilst this one is not as bright as that. Me personally, I actually do like this one. So, I'm happy to report it worked, it's working, and if there's a problem, my dash will say, hey, you got a problem. So far, I don't have any problem. All right, what's next? Next, well, we need to do the other light since I approve this. Let's just do the other. Then after that, I'll test it throughout the day. And if there's a problem, I will report back. But something funny tells me I'm not gonna have any problem and I'm gonna be extra happy with this. Cool. I installed them outside just so that you can see them. See? The fan is working. And the light. Boy, it is blinding. So this is number one and this is number two. You see how bright? And you just need to put them back in and you're good to go. Really, really impressive. There you go. This is the website, AUXITO.com, and from over there you can just simply search it. It's clearly year 2019 series H7. Now if you look at it, now the price, this is basically based in Australia and they're running a bit of a promotion at the moment. But if you look at it, yeah, you can see that how it has the 360 degrees fish eye lens, which is pretty awesome, and we tried it. And this is how the headlights look like. All what you need to do is basically either search it directly, or from over here you just go with the what you're after, a year, make, model, and so on and so forth. Their website, it's pretty easy, user friendly. They take PayPal, they take normal cards as well. It is safe, it is secure. I vouch by them simply because I personally tried it and I'm really happy with it. These are the specs. I would say it's pretty nice. The only thing that we haven't done is we haven't tried it at night, but definitely we will do that. I'm really happy with that. So guys, like I said, I don't usually give reviews, positive reviews, unless they're absolutely worth it. And in this case, it is worth it. So go get yourself one of those if you need one for your car. If it's not Mercedes, that's easy. Just search it by the year, the make and the model, and I'm sure you'll find something that fits your car. You tell me, what do you think? Mean. I love it. I really do love it. So, AUXITO, thank you so much. I'm just gonna put this one like this. This is basically the mugshot. Really, really digging it. So if you like what you see and you're actually interested in getting one of those, by all means, head to their website. And that's their website. Scan the QR code. And you should be able to go to their website and order yourself one of those. Until then, you guys take care of yourself. I'm gonna enjoy my ride. Take care.